But we begin with our top story. WIU announced in August a major funding cut to Tri-State's Public Radio. It's left people wondering what the future holds for this radio station, one that's been serving the area for more than 5 decades. It's now been a month since officials at Western Illinois University announced that state-appropriated funding to WIUM, known as Tri-State's Public Radio, would be completely cut effective March 1st, 2019.
I'm very concerned. I know that Western Illinois University is in a difficult financial position, and I also know that this station has been around here for decades and that there are a lot of people who rely upon the service that we provide.
The radio station, along with AIS, the Audio Information Services for the Visually Impaired, which is also part of WIUM, sits near the northeast entrance of WIU off of University Drive and Lafayette Street. The station is facing more than $453,000 in cuts. This money pays for 9 of 12 employees. Now the station will have to look other places for this money.
There is a certain amount of uncertainty in the future, and we need to figure out how we can continue to exist without half of our operating budget, and how much of that can we replace from other funding sources.
The decision comes after President Jack Thomas and WIU administration began looking at more ways to save university money during difficult financial times for public universities in Illinois.
Continue to provide the quality of education that we're known to provide. Something has to give.
I'm sure as the GM you weren't expecting this. Did you see this coming?
Everybody on campus should be aware that there could be some kind of cuts. The fact that they were a 100% cut with 6 months notice, that was surprising.
The fallout from this decision has the community and supporters of the station filling up town halls, speaking out at university meetings, and spreading information online.
It's the only journalism in McDonough County and really in the tri-state area that's kind of left.
It's a lifeline for me. It would be very difficult for me to live in a small town that did not have a public radio station.
To conserve money, changes to the radio programming are already taking place. And because of these cuts, they now must look for more donations, grants, and other means to keep them on the air.
Will Tri-State's Public Radio be here a year from now?
Yes, we are definitely going to be here a year from now. In what form, I don't know. What it's going to sound like and what it's going to look like, I honestly can't say.
Now, Tri-State's Public Radio serves 20 counties in the tri-state region, and as of September 1st, changes to the radio programming include the Symphony broadcasts, Radio Lab, and On the Media programs have gone away. Also, station officials say this will save Tri-States $10,000 for their next fiscal year. Also, supporters this weekend will go door to door in Macomb with a petition to sign for residents. Also, there will be a community forum in Macomb at Spoon River College Outreach Center next Tuesday.